Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to make resume or CV in Canva, and it will be a complete beginner video for you. I will request you guys to watch the video till the end, then you will understand how I am going to walk through the topic and how I am going to make that resume for my work. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So here, as you can see, we are already in our Canva platform and we are using the free version over here. So first of all, you just need to understand what is the Canva. So Canva is a free platform where you can easily create or design your graphics, such as social media platform like docs, and you can create presentation for you, and you can edit your photo. Also, you are allowed to create your website through Canva. Then you can make your videos. So you are getting this kind of features totally free on Canva. First of all, you just need to create an account. Just click over here into the sign in. Once you click over here, it will give you the options to create account with Google and Facebook. Or also we have another way, as you can explore it. If you want to explore it, then you can work with email too. So I already created an account. Once you've done your account creation, then you will get options or interface like this way. This is the home interface. So here you can see we have the search option where you can search million of templates. So or also you are allowed to create custom sites from that place. So I'm going to search a CV over this template and I will hit the search button. Once I click over here, then you can see we have a create blank. It means I can design a CV from scratch, or I have some of template. As you can see, you can select one of them from that place, and here you can easily work through it. So CV is literally a necessary thing in this century. Like if you are looking a job or you are a job seeker, then you need to drop your CV on any company you want to work. So without CV, sometimes they don't interested feel you on you. So here CV is literally an important thing. So you just need to create a CV more engaged with and more organized way, so they can understand what you are working and what is your education background and your certification. So here, as you can see, this CV looks really nice. So also you can see the resume. So you have, I think you will have a question about that, what is resume and what is CV. Both are similar and both are totally works for the same way. So you can do your resume or you can create your CV, whatever you want. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to select this one and then I'm going to work on it. So here you can see, once I click on customize this template, it redirects me to the new tab, and here you can see this is the resume. And if I go over here and let's search for the CV, then here let's search it, and now let's click over here and let's click on customize this template, and now you can see both template, it looks similar. And as you can see here, it has only an image, it doesn't, but all the brief description are similar like this one. So here you can see I'm going to change all the necessary things, like I will replace the image. So I will replace it with this image. Then I'm going to change the name, that will be by my name. And then I am a website developer, that's why I'm going to search here website development, or I will make it a content creator, content creator. And next I will, you can zoom it by clicking over here. Then I am going to give it my LinkedIn profile name over that place, that is my 40. Then you can change your email address. I'm going to give my email, that is 963@gmail.com, and you can provide your number over here. If you have a portfolio, like we have a portfolio, let's copy the portfolio link. If you want to see it, you can watch it. Here is our portfolio, so I'm going to paste it here, portfolio link over that place. Let's make it short. Let's go over here and now you will get the option to sort your URL. So I'm going to copy this one and I will paste it here. So here I'm going to paste it, short URL. Then here, click here for my portfolio. I'm going to give a link over that place. I'm going to add a link. So now when someone click over here, they will redirect to my portfolio. Then I'm going to add my relevant skill over that place. I am good in website development. And next, I am fluent in English. Then I have customer service, quality customer service. This way you can already done your half of work. Next, you can add your work experience over here. Like I did work 3 years around on Fiverr. Then you can add your educational history. I completed my education on electronic engineering. You can add your graduation. Like you can edit each and every element from that place, so you have the access over here. Next, let's go on to the resume, and here you can see similarly we have the access to edit each and every element, and simply I did work similar way you need to be work on here. So let's go and let's edit some of them so you will get the idea about how it's really work. Here I'm going to add my name. In fact, I'm going to change this one into content creator. Then I'm going to add my contact over here. Like this way I'm going to add my city over that place. And here it is the important. Here you just, they are asking for a brief of your summary, so you can take help from ChatGPT for this, or you can write it probably your brain, and then you can add your education over that place. So I'm going to add my school name, that will be Tata College School. I did complete my school from that place. Then I'm going to add my skill over here, so you can see how I am doing this work. So it becomes so much easy for you right now after watching the video, and if you watch till the end, then this might be helpful for you also. So here you can see our resume has been created successfully, and also our CV has been done. So I hope you now understand how easy the process is to create a CV and a resume. So if you think you have any question related to this video, then ask me on the comment box. I will give all the answer on this comment box. Also, if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.